How you doing? So here's our buddy Shawn telling me my audio sucks, and I was like, why do you care? I mean, you can read this. Okay, this is he can't debunk me if he can't hear me. I'm like, debunk what? So through the discourse, he's I'm all like, what part of Helmsman, USS Texas, nukes in her fucking belly they did not want me to drive into the fucking heart of Russia with. Therefore, I was trained as if 900 men's lives depended on me fucking understanding simple shit like lunar phase and position on the globe nav training. What are you talking about? Nobody navigates with the moon. Ha! You're highly uneducated. 41,800,000 hits on Navigate with the Moon before you open your fucking ignorant mouth would help you look like a smart person, you fucktard. Wink. 41,800,000 on Navigate with the Moon search, which did that direction navigating with moon navigate with the stars and the moon. Are you fucking kidding me? You shill. What's funny is